Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make ramen healthy. Begin by swapping the seasoning packet for a lower sodium broth and fresh aromatics like garlic and ginger. Add colorful vegetables for fiber and nutrients, and choose whole grain or buckwheat noodles for better texture and protein. Include a lean protein such as grilled chicken, tofu, or a soft-boiled egg to make the bowl satisfying and balanced each meal. To boost flavor without overloading sodium, focus on fresh aromatics and umami-rich ingredients. Roast garlic or grate ginger into the broth, stir in miso paste sparingly for depth, and finish with scallions or toasted sesame oil for aroma. Use low-sodium soy sauce or tamari and add a squeeze of lime or rice vinegar to lift the whole bowl, making healthy ramen taste vibrant and restaurant-worthy. Make ramen more filling by bulking it up with vegetables, proteins, and healthy fats. Toss in mushrooms, spinach, bok choy, or frozen peas for extra fiber and nutrients. Stir in edamame, shredded chicken, or a scoop of canned beans to boost protein and satiety. Finish with a sprinkle of sesame seeds, toasted nori, or a few crushed peanuts to add crunch and satisfy cravings without excess calories for any meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.